Alright, I'm gonna clean off the step stool, but in a more eco-friendly way. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. So yes, I'm gonna clean this out. Clean this step stool that I have outside here. Using snow water runoff. It's pretty clean. Well, clear anyways. Just got a piece of paper here. Get that off. Oh yeah, get that off. Oh, and by the way, there is snow on the ground. I'm just saying. So, yeah. Let this dry, or I'll tip it to the side, let it air dry a little here before I bring it back inside. But just like that, using what Mother Nature has given me on this day, I figure I would wash something with it and utilize the resources of the land. And as our world changes, we can adapt too. Our skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone take care of one.